In this video, I will show you how you can set Bixby as default on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Bixby, then tap on Continue, and just tap on Next, and from here, just say the following sentences. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Now after you've done that, now just select the word with which you want to enable Bixby. You can either select Hi Bixby or just Bixby. I will select Hi Bixby, then tap on Next and tap on Done. Now just select Continue. And after you do that, you will enable Bixby on your Samsung phone. As you can see, if I say Hey Bixby, I will enable Bixby on my Samsung device. Now if you also want to make Bixby as the default assistant on the power button, instead of the power menu or the Google Assistant, under advanced features, just tap on side button. Tap on long press. Now instead of the power off menu or digital assistant from Google, just select Bixby. And after you do that, you will enable Bixby by just pressing and holding on the power button. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.